guys, today I'm going to show you how to fix your product not showing on your Shopify storefront page. It's pretty simple. Let me just log in. Alright, you see here, you're going to go to your products page. You want to click on your product, go to its settings, make sure your status is active. Okay, it can't be draft. Make sure it's active, and you see where it says publishing, press manage, and then make sure it's on all of these. But if you really want to make sure it's on online store, and yeah, that's basically it. You just want to make sure that you publish it in your online store. Alright, and then after that you can just back out and it'll work. Look, okay, these, press done, and you're gonna want to save this. Okay, I'll see you guys in another video.